Welcome to another stunning Tennessee estate. Rolling pastures, breathtaking long-range views, and a stone front porch that feels like it was made for morning coffee. This traditional brick home sits among 35 acres of gently rolling pasture with a large metal barn and an older shed. Centrally located in the Russellville community, it's perfect for farming, growing crops, or enjoying peaceful country living. The metal barn, though needing some work, provides ample space for equipment or livestock. A pond behind the house could easily be cleared and restored. The home itself features 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. White stone accents and a covered front porch highlight the exterior, while inside you'll find a living room with a stone wood-burning fireplace and large windows framing the view. The kitchen and dining combo has retro charm with green appliances and white cabinetry. A bonus room could serve as a 4th bedroom or office. Down the hallway, there's another bedroom, a full bath with double sinks, and the master suite with tile shower. The full, unfinished basement includes shelving for storage and a second wood-burning fireplace. While the home does need some updating, it offers immense potential. With over 1,000 feet of road frontage, this property could also be subdivided or used as a long-term investment. Don't miss this opportunity to make this beautiful Tennessee estate your own. Sold as is, buyer, buyer's agent to